These Yeezys glow in the dark. Let's take a closer look at the adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Glow. Yeah. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at the adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Glow. Before we get into all the details, just do us a quick favor, hit the subscribe button and we'll keep it going. As you guys already know, this is the 350 V2 model. For those of you who are not very familiar with this style, it is one of Kanye West's sneaker designs with Adidas, and it's arguably the most popular right now. The other ones that are out on the market are the 700, the 700 V2, but those two are pretty much holding it down, the 350 and the 700. And the 350, just to kind of backtrack a little bit, first debuted in 2015 with like the Turtle Doves and the Pirate Blacks and the Moon Rocks and Oxford Tans, and then the V2 version debuted in September of 2016, and ever since then the 350 V2 has been like the go-to model for Adidas and Kanye West, and we've lost count on how many actual colorways are dropping, but you know, we knew that from the beginning that there were going to be a lot more pairs out there because Kanye wants everyone to have a pair of his shoes. So next up is, of course, this glow colorway, neon green, whatever you want to call it. Officially releases on May 25th, 2019 in adult, kids, and infant sizes. And the retail price for the adult pair is $250. That's $30 more than the other 350 V2 releases. And we'll talk a little bit about why that price is probably higher. And as you guys know, if you're watching this right now, you knew that Adidas and Yeezy Supply did a surprise midnight drop on Wednesday, May 22nd. Sold out really, really quickly. And you know, you had to be on top of things if you wanted to cop at retail, but not to worry. Again, these are dropping on May 25th at select retailers. We do have an official store list right for you below, so check that later if you're trying to find out if your local shop is getting them. So yeah, let's get right into it. The upper, of course, nothing new. You've seen this before. This transparent mesh stripe is what they're kind of going with. You'll see it even in upcoming colorways like the Antlia version, the Lundmark. Basically, these are nicknames just for other colorways. This is by far the loudest Yeezy colorway ever. You know, most of the Yeezys have been very muted, neutral tones. Kanye seems to like pulling his colors from actual earth tones. So this is definitely something that is very surprising. And of course, we talked about how these are priced at $250, $30 more than the other 350 V2s, and that's because glow-in-the-dark detail. I mean, that's just our guess, but that probably makes a lot of sense. I'm not really gonna go too much into like the pricing of glow-in-the-dark materials or anything like that, but you know, you're getting something a little bit different from your typical V2, so they're marking up the price, and there you go, right? Other than that, you know, the outsole is matching neon green color with the prime knit upper. You can see that the outsole of the shoe is a little bit different. It's almost like a brighter, more of a yellowish tint to the neon green. Of course, you have that classic all-white boost that we've all come to love. Just another quick note about the actual glow. Only the sidewall of the sole actually glows. Anything that's on the bottom or even where it scoops up on the heel does not actually glow. So it's just the middle part. So if you're wondering why the entire thing doesn't glow, no, you don't have fakes or variants. That's just how it is. And again, the upper transparent stripe seems to be slightly tinted with almost like this clayish sort of color. It's not really a true white or anything like that. And these do have heel tabs. You know, other upcoming ones do not, but this one does have a heel tab. And of course, you have that nice, clean Adidas Yeezy branding on the insoles. You know, that's pretty much it. You know, it's again, they're keeping with the tonal colorways. You know, they're matching the uppers with the outsole. The one bit of contrast being this transparent mesh upper. As you've been seeing throughout this video, you know, the glow in the dark is really strong. It's really nice. Basically, you need to keep them under a harsh light for quite a while. You gotta quote unquote charge them up. And then once you turn the light out, it'll pop really, really well. You've seen in the video, like, this isn't any trickery. This is just us keeping the shoes under a light for, you know, few minutes. You know, we'll say, I don't know, 10 minutes or something like that, or the longer the better. It'll hold that charge, so you might even be able to see it indoors. So, you know, we're happy with this release. Definitely one of the more interesting colorways. Quite honestly, a lot of the Yeezy colorways were starting to get a little muddied. They're all kind of look the same. It's all some variation of like a cream white or like a light tan or a brown. And even the clays were a nice departure from what we typically expect from Yeezy, but these are very, very different. It would be nice to see more neon tones on the shoe. Check the store list below if you want to cop these. May 25th for $250, and that's for the adult prices. Infants and kids available. So thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yes, now that you know that these are indeed glow in the dark and 250 bucks. Let us know in the comments if you're actually gonna try to buy these or if these are an easy pass. We'll catch you in the next video and good luck on Saturday.